Are you tired of guessing if your DIY containers are truly clean and safe? Today, I'm giving you a scientifically backed method to sterilize your container like a pro, guaranteed to elevate the quality of your product because, using unsterilized container for your DIY project could ruin everything you've worked so hard for, so don't risk contamination. So watch this video to the end to learn how to do it right. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're into creating DIY projects like skincare, beauty, or even baby safe items, you know how crucial it is to keep your containers perfectly sterilized. So in this video, I will show you the 3 foolproof sterilization methods that are easy, effective, backed by science. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you will never miss tips that can transform your DIY project. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the process. So the first method we'll be talking about is the microwave steam sterilizer method. This method, I use it for heat resistant and for non-heat resistant items. But this particular steam sterilizer I have is the one I bought for my baby when I was breastfeeding my baby. So this is it. But just in case if you don't have it, you can still use normal bath that has cover. Just pour water into it. But for the sake of this video, this is the steam sterilizer. I'm using this brand as from Shisco. Yeah, so all I need to do is just to pour water inside it. Pour water as much as I can so that when you're pouring water, you will know where you have to stop, because if you keep on pouring to pour away. I put in my cover and the bottle, all the containers I've washed thoroughly and rinsed well with warm and soapy water. I place it inside up and upside down. You place it very well, and then after placing it very well, all I need to do is I also put bottles. Yeah, I use bottles. I just want to, it's more like a faster way for me to actually sterilize my items. Then I then now cover it. So for this method, using this method, the microwave kills 99% of harmful bacteria and viruses. And also, according to 2007 studies by the University of Florida, microwaving items for just 2 minutes can remove most pathogens. So that is just it. So just put it 2 to 3 minutes according to the instruction. But for the sake of this video, I actually use up to 7 minutes to microwave it. Yes, I use 7 minutes to do this. So this method works perfectly. If you do not have the steam, once you have a bowl that was covered, just put water, put it inside there, put it there. This method actually works wonderful, heat resistance, and also, yeah, and also for non-heat resistance like glass jars and studded plastic case for baby bottles as well. So when I open this product, now when I open this sterilizer, you see the kind of steam that is very coming out from it. Please be very, very careful because it is very, very hot. I couldn't find a tongue I can use in bringing out the containers. So I tried to use it in my hand to do it, but it's very, very hot. That is why it works perfectly. And guys, if you're also finding this video very helpful, sincerely, you're finding it very helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channels. Please click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. So the second method is the boiling method. This is ideal for heat resistant material. This is where I mostly use it when I want to sterilize a glass bottle or anything that is extremely heat resistant. And also this boiling method is one of the oldest and the most trusted sterilizers techniques. And also science backed this too, because in 2014 articles in the Journal of Hospital Infection confirmed that boiling at 100 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes is highly effective in killing bacteria, yeast, and spores. So for this method, you need to wash your container very well with also a warm soapy water. Then you place them in a large pot, ensuring that the item is submerged, fully. Then boil it for like 10 minutes. Also, once it's boiling for like 10 minutes, if you open it, you see the same place. This is very hot. Don't mind me. I'm trying to do I couldn't find my tongue. I don't know why I couldn't find it that day. So once you open it, you can see the vapor and the steam that is coming out. You bring it out after 10 minutes, you put it in a white towel, kitchen towel, and just allow it to dry, guys. Just allow it to dry. So this method is perfect for glass containers or for highly heat resistant items like metal tins, and it's very simple and also cost effective. So this is also what I recommend. If you do not have a sterilizer like the first method, if you do not have it, you can use the boiling method. So for the third method, this is a method where we use the vinegar and the water method. This is highly and best also for non-heat resistant container like very plastic. If you're working with a delicate plastic or items that can handle it, this white and vinegar method is a go for you. And also white vinegar is known for its microbial properties, and also a 2018 studies in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health shows that vinegar solution are very effective against common bacteria and fungi. So what you need to do is, this is half 1/4 cup of vinegar. I put it into my bowl, and then 4 parts water. You understand? 1 part vinegar and 4 parts water to dilute it. So what I do is, after pouring it, I just use my towel and I just wipe it. This is my kitchen towel. I just wipe it. The faster method, if you really want to start using the item immediately, just use it. Wipe every corner of it. Use this clean kitchen towel that will not leave any particles inside. Just use it. Wipe every part of your container. Then you can use it. But if it's for containers that you can't really put your hand inside, and it's for containers that probably you want to use it the next day, all you need to do is just to pour the contents of this vinegar, this water and vinegar, inside it. Pour it inside. That is the soaking method. Soak it inside, cover it. We make sure it touches everywhere. Cover it with the lid, and that is it. This method is eco-friendly, great for preserving the integrity of also your containers. By the way, if you're loving these tips and want more scientifically backed DIY solution, please do want to subscribe to my channel right now. Yes, it is free, guys. You'll be the first to know when I drop my content. Click on the subscribe button below, please, and subscribe to my channel. Also, in this video, you can also watch my other videos where I also did a DIY project on the best heat protectant spray DIY, and also I did a test where you see me using fire to show you the real results. Now you know the 3 simple and effective methods to sterilize your container. So whether you're working with heat resistance or delicates, remember to sterilize your container, because clean containers, it's very, very important. So see you guys on my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.